지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까 Baby 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어
Thank you very much. So 3 bus stops and then make the right. Alright, thank you very much.
좋았어 Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step in the bed Barefoot, barefoot 우린 같은 온도에 있어 푸른 네 바닷속은 얼마나 깊을까 바다 가고 싶을 때 내가 보고 싶을 때 또 네가 많이 아플 때 이 노래를 들어줘 절대 추운 날은 없을 거야 Cause I'll be with you oh. 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어 baby Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step in the bed Barefoot, barefoot 우린 같은 온도에 있어 푸른 네 바닷속
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. I look like I can't swim. Guys, I can swim, okay?
The sun has shine for me.
Right? Oh my gosh. It's signing on you because you're God's favorite. Oh my gosh. So I'm just jumping in here to say hi. I hope that you're enjoying this birthday vlog so far. We are currently in Portland, so I've just been showing you bits and pieces. I really said to myself I wasn't gonna vlog too much, but I wanted to have like enough footage to put something together just from my own commemoration, so I can look back and see what we did. So if you're liking this vlog, you can let me know in the comments below. And I'm so blessed and so happy to be turning 34. I'm literally just vlogging on my phone and carrying my vlogging camera, anything like that, but I just wanted to capture bits and pieces. So at this point in the vlog, you would have seen that we went to Nonsuch Falls, which is really beautiful, so we want to go back there and stay there. But overall, it's been nice so far and relaxing, so we're just heading to dinner now. We're going to Boston Jerk to get some jerk chicken and festival and the works and everything. So if you're enjoying so far, don't forget to hit subscribe. Please hit subscribe and like this video. It really helps me out a lot, trying to get my channel to grow a little bit more. So really excited to share the rest of my time with you, and if I don't jump back on, just enjoy the vibes. And yeah,
I was sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?
We are lots of fun. We are lots of fun, eh? You get a joke?
you come in their face and he's like, loads of people in my hearing. That's so crazy.
Said you have things on.
But my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling. Find peace beneath the surface.
Thank you.